Prepare a cost-time report, CTR, for each package to calculate the budget in terms of inspection man days required during manufacturing. You can use equipment criticality to assign a factor for calculating man days. For example, for an equipment with criticality 1, assign a factor of 1.6. Now, if the equipment takes 6 months to be manufactured, considering 5 working days per week, you would need 6 by 22, 22 being working days in a month, multiplied by 1.6, package criticality factor, equals 211 man days of inspection. For criticality 2, you can use a factor of 1 and so on. Criticality 3 normally needs a final inspection only, while criticality 4 items are normally inspected at the point of receipt or at site. You may want to add 25% to the total budget to account for uncertainties and any surprises such as repeat inspection due to NCR, cancelled inspection by supplier, delays, and enhanced inspection due to supplier's poor performance. For more tips, visit inspector-training.com.